Hello students, I'm Shashi Sharma back again with another video for you. Today I will let you know about the importance of English, not only in students' life, but in the life of other people also. Now, as we know that English is a global language, you will be surprised to know that in more than 63 countries, it is used as an official language, and in 27 countries, including India, it is used as a second language. So you can understand with that. Even according to the survey conducted by Britain, it is said that by 2022, 90% of the countries, people of the countries will be speaking English. Now, studying English can help you get a better job. You can get better opportunities. Now, due to the globalization, many MNCs have been open in our country. I'll just give you the example of my own country, India. And you can understand you are well paid for that. You get better opportunities. You meet, because they are all multinational companies, and the foreign countries, they are investing money in our country by opening their offices. And if you are good in communicating English, you can get a better job. Now, learning English can also help you to meet new people. When you go abroad, or you meet the tourists who are coming here, not only tourists, the people who are coming here even for office business and for doing their work, you meet them. You intermingle with the culture, tradition of that country. You come to know how these people live their life, and how they, what is the history, what is the culture, tradition, the food, how they live. You know, everything you come to know. And English is the language of media industry today. See, so I give you an example. If you want to see a foreign film, a Hollywood film in Spanish, now you don't know Spanish, so the subtitles are given in English underneath, and you can just read it, and you can understand and enjoy the movie of that country. Now, that is why even in TVs or English shows, there are many good English shows that help you out. So, English is one of the most important language even for business today. People are doing export and import business. For that, they also need English. With English, you can study all over the world. Like, you want to do some higher course from other universities. If you know English, you can. You have to pass the IELTS test, and you can get visas and all that easily. Now, English gives you access to multiple cultures also. It's not that the people you are meeting in India, you are coming to know. But when you understand, you can go through. Secondly, the next point is that it is also considered as an internet language. Now, their scientists have done their research work in their own native language. Suppose a German scientist, he has done his project or research in German language. He will print it in that. But that can be available in English also, because most of the people understand English. And if you know you are good in speaking English, or you are good in reading and writing English, you will be able to understand what the person has done, and you can enhance your knowledge. You know, there are many benefits of speaking English. Actually, many people who can read and write English very well, but they feel shy and hesitant in speaking English in public. But let me tell you, we can also just teach you how to improve your English, but it all depends upon you, how hard work you do in practicing that. So English is really important, and with that I take a leave, and I hope you will work hard to learn English. And with that, I'll come again and meet you with another video. So watch and wait for my next video. Till then, thank you and bye.